Hello, this is a quick video to show how to add border to image, to video, and to composition in After Effects. After starting After Effects, we can click here to create a new composition. I will keep this composition setting and click OK. And then we can go to File and Import, and File to import a footage. I have an image and import it. And then I click and drag into a timeline to import this footage into composition. I want to show the edge, so I press shortcut S to scale down it. If you want to add border, we can right click here and choose layer styles, and we can have a stroke. Or we can right click on the image and choose layer style and choose stroke. The default setting is red border. If you want to change the color, we can go to layer style and stroke. We can have the color and we can click here to change the color. Also, we can change the size, change the opacity, and change the positioning. This is how we can add border to image. It also works for video and composition. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Artist B. See you in the next video. Bye bye.